The topic is a congenital heart diseases. It is a heart abnormality present at birth. The problem can affect the heart layers or the heart valves or the blood vessels. Definition of congenital heart diseases. A congenital heart defect is defined as a defect in the structure of the heart and great vessels which is present at birth. Causes. There are genetic causes or environmental like antenatal factors including maternal infection, drugs and other maternal illness and advanced maternal age, radiation exposure. These are the causes for congenital heart defects. Classification. Cyanotic heart disease. It is a condition that blood moves from the right side of the heart to the left side through the abnormal openings. They result in low blood oxygen level. So cyanosis means bluish color of the skin and mucous membrane. Acyanotic heart disease. It is a less serious condition that oxygenated blood moves from the left side of the heart to the right side and then to the lungs. Acyanotic heart diseases. Blood is shunted from the left side of the heart to the right side of the heart. Child retain normal levels of oxyhemoglobin saturation in systemic circulation. Common acyanotic heart diseases are ASD, VSD, PDA and coarctation of aorta. Atrial septal defect. In fetal circulation, there is a connection called foramen ovale between the right atrium and left atrium. It is closed soon after birth. Sometimes it will not close and causes atrial septal defect. Atrial septal defect. There is abnormal opening between the right and left atria resulting in left to right shunting of blood. It accounts of 9% of all congenital heart diseases. Type of ASD. If the defect located in the center of the atrial septum, it is called ostium secundum. If the defect located near the lower portion, it is called ostium primum. If the defect located near the top of the atrial septum, it is called sinus venosus. So this is the picture of ASD types. See the ostium secundum at the middle, ostium primum near the tricuspid valve, sinus venosus at near the major veins. Clinical manifestation of ASD. Asymptomatic in majority of cases, systolic murmur with a fixed split second heart sound and maybe with a diastolic murmur and dysarrhythmias. Diagnostic evaluations. Ultrasonography and echocardiography shows the defect. Auscultation shows the systolic and resection murmur and fixed splitting of S2. Transesophageal Doppler bubble study and ECG. Treatment for ASD. There is a surgical patch called Tacron patch closer and in secondum ASD, percutaneous ASD closer. Ventricular septal defect. It is a defect in the ventricular septum, the wall dividing the left and right ventricles of the heart. In VSD, left to right shunt caused by a flow of blood from the high pressure left ventricle to low pressure right ventricle. This is the picture of ventricular septal defect. It is the most common acyanotic congenital heart disease with left to right shunt. It is found approximately 25% of all congenital heart diseases. Signs and symptoms. VSD are asymptomatic. In large defect, symptoms develop within 1 to 2 months of age. Symptoms are pansystolic murmur, failure to thrive, tachypneic and sweatings. Treatment for VSD. Medical treatment. Cardiac glycosides, that is digoxin, and loop diuretics, example Lasix, and ACE inhibitors. Catepril. Surgical interventions for VHD, surgical patch closure of septal defect. Sometimes pulmonary artery banding also used. Patent ductus arteriosus. Ductus arteriosus is a temporary connection between the pulmonary artery and aorta in fetal circulation. It is closed soon after birth. When ductus arteriosus remains patent and open after birth, it is called PDA. So this picture shows patent ductus arteriosus. So it is a common in preterm infants, weight less than 1.5 kilogram. It is the more common type in female baby and occurs approximately 11% of all congenital heart diseases. Signs and symptoms. The clinical presentation of patent ductus arteriosus depends upon the size of the ductus and its patency, and usually child presents with tachycardia, respiratory problem, dyspnea, and machine-like heart murmur, cardiomegaly, and pounding pulse. Diagnosis. Auscultation of heart sounds reveals continuous murmur, especially missionary murmur, and a chest X-ray shows cardiomegaly, and echocardiography and ECG are the diagnosis of PDA. Treatment. Medical management. Indomethacin 0.1 to 0.25 milligram, 3 doses for the closure of ductus arteriosus, and surgical treatment. Surgical division or ligation of patent vessel is performed. Coarctation of aorta. It is a condition that narrowing of aorta near the ductus arteriosus. This causes increased pressure near to the defect and decreased pressure distal to the obstruction. This is the picture of coarctation of the aorta. So this narrowing of the aorta causing increased pressure and workload of left ventricles. The conditions more commonly found in male and may accompany with other defects like VHD and PDA. Signs and symptoms of coarctation of aorta are dependent on the type of the defect. The symptoms is represent the symptoms of congestive cardiac failure like difficulty breathing, trouble feeding, failure to thrive, chest pain, fatigue, and headaches. Diagnosis. The barium swallow exists a figure of E sign on X-ray and MRA, echocardiograms, and CT and angiography. Treatment. Surgical corrections by resection of the coarctate portion with the end-to-end anastomosis of the aorta, and non-surgical treatments, balloon angioplasty. Aortic valve stenosis. Aortic valve stenosis is a condition that is a narrowing of aortic valve which is present at aorta. It causes resistance to blood flow in the left ventricle, a decreased cardiac output, and left ventricular hypertrophy and pulmonary venous congestion. Signs and symptoms. Many children with aortic stenosis have no manifestation, and some children have shortness of breath, syncope, chest pain, and cold skin, poor feeding, like that. Diagnosis. ECG, cardiac catheterization, echocardiogram, and chest X-ray. Management. Aortic valve replacement, percutaneous aortic valve replacement by transcatheter, and balloon valvuloplasty. Pulmonic stenosis. Pulmonic stenosis is a condition that is a narrowing of the pulmonary valve which is present in the pulmonary artery. It causes obstruction to flow from the right ventricle of the heart to the pulmonary artery. So this is the picture of pulmonic stenosis, that is a narrowing of pulmonary valve which is present in the pulmonary artery. Symptoms: when the stenosis is mild, the child has no symptoms. If it is severe, jugular vein distension, cyanosis, right ventricle hypertrophy, and fainting or dizziness, or sometimes hepatomegaly and edema in the legs are the symptoms. Treatment: pulmonic valve replacement and balloon valvuloplasty are the treatments.